Yeah, go.
Hey Mr. B, it's Ryan here, and I'm going to show you how to factor difference of squares. So, as you can see, it's called factoring difference of squares, which means subtraction. Difference means subtraction, so that's the key part here, because without that you can't do it. So, as you can see, b squared and 64 are both perfect squares, so we need to find the square root. The square root of b squared is b, so that'd be b minus 8. That's 1. And then the other one will be b plus 8. And that's the two factors. And then if you want to check your answer, you can just multiply the binomials and you'll get what you started out with. So let's do that FOIL method, which would be first b times b is b squared. And then you have 8b, and then b negative 8b, which they cancel each other out pretty much, so those don't even really matter. Then negative 8 times 8 is negative 64, so you'd get b squared minus 64. B squared minus 64. Then on the second problem, we have another subtraction sign, and we have two perfect squares. So 16x squared, square root would be 4x. Square root of 25 is 5, so it would be minus 5. And once again, we do the other binomial, which would be 4x plus 5. And if we want to check those, we do the FOIL method. FOIL method, excuse me. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. And then you do 4x times 5, which equals 20x. Negative 5 times 4x is negative 20x. So those cancel each other out. And negative 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 25. So 16x squared minus 25, which is what we started off with, therefore we factored correctly. And you're done.